Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to add a movie in playlist on Netflix. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to add a movie in playlist on Netflix. Maybe because you want to watch a movie later, so you want to add in a playlist so that when you get free time, you can watch it. Or maybe you're adding it so that you couldn't forget about it, and whenever you want to watch it, you can watch it from the playlist. Or there could be any other reason for you to add a movie in playlist on Netflix. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First you have to make sure that you have already installed a Netflix, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once it gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with your account on your device. Now just simply tap on the icon of the Netflix to open the app. Here you will see the title of the app, and after that you will see this interface. Here we have to choose a profile through which we can get into our videos, and we can see how we can add videos into the playlist. You can choose any one of the profiles that are on your screen. You might have more profiles than me, or maybe have less profiles based on how many profiles you have created. So you just have to simply tap onto any one of these profiles and then you will get into it. Once you get into a profile, you will see there are a lot of videos available. Other than that, we have different options at the bottom of the screen and even at the top of the screen. So if you want to add a video into a playlist, first you have to find a video. So you can find a video from home, or you can go into the trendings and hot ones. Other than that, you can also go to the search section, and there you could search for the movies. And once you search a movie, you can also find a movie into a playlist and can watch it later when you get free time. So here I have clicked on this series, and now I will add this one into a playlist. So as you can see in the middle of the screen, we have three options. The left option has a plus icon and it also says list. So if you tap onto that option, your selected video will be added into your playlist. And once you click onto this plus option, which is a save, or you could say in listing option, this plus icon will be converted into a tick option like that. That means that video has been added into a playlist. So now I'll just get back and we will add another video, and after that we will see how we can get access to our playlisted videos. So I have clicked onto this season, and after that I will click on this plus icon and it will convert into a tick option. That means it has been added into a playlist. Now we will get back, and there what you have to do is that you have to click on your profile icon. Once you click on it, you will see different options. So from there you have to click on this option which says my list. It also has a tick icon. Once you click on it, you will see all your listed videos here. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can add videos into a playlist on Netflix. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.